everyone, I really hope you're all safe and well and healthy. This video is gonna be super quick and fast, as you probably noticed the craziness going around the antibacterial gel. It's getting sold out and people can't get their hands on it, so I thought I'm gonna do a quick video to show how to make your own one, because honestly guys, it's easy. I do make my own one in general most of the time, and I usually carry on antibacterial gel with me. I mean, before this whole virus thing started, and I wash my hands frequently, which you should do as well. Even though there's no virus on a daily basis, you know, during the day you should wash your hands as much as you can. That's a normal thing. So let's just do this quick and sweet. I'm gonna use 2 ingredients to do that. You can use 3, you can use more. So the main ingredient that I'm gonna use is a surgical spirit. You can get this everywhere, you can get it online. So we're gonna use 60% of that, and then we're gonna add some kind of hand cream or moisturizer, anything like that, just to keep your hands a bit moist, because this is gonna irritate obviously hands, making it super dry. Especially like my hands is dry anyways because I do have eczema prone skin, so moisturizing, you know, is the key for me. So for that I'm just gonna use the 100% organic aloe vera gel. It's good if you have a dry skin, you know, aloe vera is in general so good for many things, but you can just use any moisturizing cream, lotion, or anything you prefer. So 60% of that, 40% of that, and we're just gonna mix. It might smell as a spirit too much, so you can add like few drops of the essential oil. So I might just add a bit of a lavender, as is the one I have by hand, but any essential oil, just to have, you know, a bit of a nicer smell to it and not as much of a spirit smell. So you need an empty container. This one was just like a pack of travel containers. You know, you can buy like a bulk of travel containers. Just gonna open this up, open the spirit. This is super easy. Oh, look at that. Just gonna open this up. 60%, which I think we should be. It's definitely 60%, it's more than half. I chose to use, by the way, the gel because I thought it's gonna be more of a consistency to it. You know, it's not gonna be as liquidy like a lotion would be mixed with this. So the rest, what I'm doing, I'm just gonna put the gel in. And then I'm gonna just shake. Gonna add a few drops of essential oil. This one is the lavender, as I mentioned. It just smells nicer. You don't need necessarily to add the essential oil, but I just think it's gonna smell lovelier. So just gonna close this, wrap a tissue around, and then shake, so I'm not gonna spill anything anywhere while shaking. Give it a good shake and use up. So here you go, your own homemade antibacterial. That actually smells nice. So obviously the moisturizing cream or gel, whatever you use, might settle a bit, you know, and fall on the bottom. So every time before using it, just give it a little shake, and then just, you know, have some in your hand. And you are all set, and your hand's gonna be sanitized. Here you go. Easy peasy, the easiest video I've ever done. I hope you found this helpful. Please stay safe and healthy. Let me know how you're doing in the comments down below, and if you're gonna try and do this DIY your hand sanitizer at home. And yeah, I'll see you very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day, guys.